Rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I am starting with the name of Allah, who is the most kind and most beneficial, the King of the kings, Lord of the Lord, best of the best. First of all, I am very thankfully to my respected principals, teachers, and my dear school fellows. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am happy to join you and celebrating the Defense Day. And it's the matter of the great pleasure to me that I am addressing to some of the present and future corporate leaders of this country. As all of you know, that we are celebrating the 59th Defense Day of Pakistan. Dear fellows, we celebrating this day in the memory of our those beloved and brave soldiers and who fought bravely and died in the fog of war 1965, but made successful defense of Lahore and other important cities of Pakistan. As the poet says, Stada se tamanna da Pakistan khatmawi, Stada se tamanna da Pakistan khatmawi, Husanga ba buzurnu ki iman khatmawi. Dear fellows, we celebrating this day in the memory of our those. Dear fellows, on the 6th September 1965, at 5 am, Indian Army attacked Pakistan from Lahore Barki sector. The 5 equal cost thousands of casualties on both sides. It ended the United Nations mandated ceasefire. Pakistan Air Milai, Captain Muhammad Sarwar Shaheed and Major Muhammad Akram Shaheed, Lance Dike Muhammad Tubir Shaheed and Major Raza Bhatti Shaheed sacrificed their lives and were rewarded with the Shani-e-Haider for their exceptional bravery. As the poet says, Da watan da dero saktura tirshave de, Da watan da dero saktura tirshave de, Da watan pa mamasil da narbachi de. Dear sir, a lot of programs are organized. Defense of Pakistan, military force and interpretive exhibition of those armors and national songs and documentaries about the 6th September. About the 6th September and martyr soldier on display on TV. These programmers mean to refute those people who sacrificed their lives and with their nation. I would like to wind up my speech these verses. शफाफी अबियो कश्मीरियों में हुई ख्वाब पीती है तरसुनी वाली लूटो को या शराब पीती है किस तरह से रास आएगी उन्हीं अशजार की खुशबू जो गुमर में पनपती है और पेशाब पीती है वस्सलाम पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद एंड बस पब्लिक स्कूल पाइंदाबाद